Hi everybody, it's me, Mandy. Today we're going to be looking at how to use matchboxes in numbers and your number work. So in grade R, the children learnt how to recognize their number symbols from 1 to 10, and they also learnt how to read the number names 1 to 10. In grade 1 though, we are solidifying that information again and we are progressing. We are also going to show them how to write their number names from 1 to 10. But we're going to start right at the beginning of the year in term 1 or term 2 by just checking out and seeing if they can remember their number names. So today we're going to have a look at some matchboxes. Now I used big matchboxes, you can see them over here, because I thought the little ones were a little bit too little. And I did something else. I painted them front and back. But if you look very carefully on some of mine, you'll see that the paint started to come off. So actually, I wouldn't paint them, I'd leave them blank. You're also going to need, for this activity, little pieces of white paper over here, and you're going to need a marker to write your numbers on. Now, I didn't want to make our table too busy today, so I only chose the numbers from 5 to 10. So you can see on my boxes, on my matchboxes, you can see the numbers. And you can also see the words. All right, so let's start off easy peasy. How are we going to use these to test whether our children can recognize their numbers or their number names? So the first thing I thought we'd start with is just an easy activity. You can give each child a box, like this, and they can have a look at their box and see, can they tell you what number is on the front? The easiest way to get them to do that is to open the box and to take out the right amount of matches that they need inside. So you can have each child having their own box and taking out 5 matches inside to show you that they know what that is. They can also use one-to-one correspondence and they can count those matchsticks. Then I thought today I'd teach you a game. So what I've done is I've done the numbers 5 to 10, and I've also written the numbers, 5 to 10, each one on a different matchbox. And now I'm going to flip my matchboxes over, like this. This game can be played in pairs, and you're going to give each child a turn. So the first child is going to go, and they're going to turn over 2 matchboxes. This one over here says 10, and this one is the numeral 9. Does that match? No, it doesn't. Oh dear. We'll have to turn that back over. Now the other child has to remember that's the 10 written in words, and that one over there is the number 9 numeral. Okay, now it's the other person's turn. They're going to turn over 1, and they're going to turn over another one. Can you see? It matched. That's the numeral 5, and that's the word 5. So that child gets to keep that pair. If we go on and we check, then it's the next person's turn. They turned over a 6, and they got a 6. So that's a matching one. So that child gets a pair. And they carry on until the game is finished. And the person with the most matchboxes is the winner. Children have lots of fun playing that. They'll play it over and over and over again. Now, one of the other activities that I also love using matchboxes for is to start teaching addition. And I love it because you can use domino pictures like this, and you can stick them on the matchbox like that. And then you can open your matchbox and you can make the sum with the matchbox, with the matches inside. Let me just get these out the way so that you can see nicely. So in this box over here, you're going to take out 6 matches, because that's what's on the domino over there, 6 matches. And on this side of the domino, there's 4 matches. And then your learners will count all the matchsticks together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or they'll count on from 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you can teach addition like that. using dominoes. So I just love matchboxes and using them in my classroom. I've got lots of them. I hope you enjoyed this activity and that you give them a go in your class. Thanks and goodbye.